Now, moving on to the next one, we have the card saver from BCW. Now, I do remember this one specifically, okay, because BCW to me has been a reputable brand, but placing the card inside, I feel like it's a bit tighter. I mean, I wish I can measure it somehow, but the BCW card saver, I mean, it's not that I struggle to actually place the card inside, but I just feel like it's a tighter fit, which for me, I feel like is risking damaging my card. But this is what it looks like, the card inside, and then taking it out again. I can just tell, I don't know if it's just this card saver, but let me go and pull out another BCW card saver just to kind of see if they all have pretty tight fits. So here we have two more BCW card savers from the different packs. And then likewise, placing the card in, opening it up. I mean, it's not a meaningful difference to mention as far as like the card being harder to place inside the BCW card saver. I don't think it's like a meaningful enough difference. Again, let me just test the third one. Okay, so placing with the BCW. I don't know. I feel like it is different though. And I must say, if I had to be honest, as far as is it harder to place a card inside the BCW, it feels like it is. Okay, out of the three BCW card savers that I use. Now, compared to the other three, which are practically identical to the BCW, like the card saver one, you're opening up the card, and I feel like it gets in there a lot easier. And then one more time, testing out the PJU. PJU just neatly tucks into there, really neatly. And then lastly, the Love Fan. There.